In today's video, we'll look at why your Sony TV is blinking red 6 times and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your Sony TV is blinking 6 times to indicate a backlight failure. This error is mainly associated with faulty hardware, often involving the main board, inverter, or power boards. Additionally, faulty connections at the TV's ports due to dirt accumulation or faulty peripheral devices may contribute to the error. To troubleshoot the blinking issue, start by disconnecting all peripheral devices from the TV. This step will help determine if a connected device is causing the error. Before reconnecting the peripherals, clean the ports thoroughly to remove any dirt. Next, restart the TV. Power cycling the device is the simplest method and often resolves many issues. If this step is ineffective, reset the TV using its remote control. To do this, point the remote at the TV's receiver and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. A restart progress will be displayed on the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.